everyone, welcome back to the Bird Brain Gaming coin series, and today I've got a $500 box of quarters. I'm going to open this one up. I'm going to look for any pre-64 silvers, any low mint 2009s or 2024s, any San Francisco minted business or proof strike quarters, any of the 2026 quarters that have recently come out. I've yet to find any foreign coins or any obvious errors. Alright, let's open this up, see what's inside. Alright, we got circulated quarters here. I'm going to open these up by 10 rolls at a time, dump them all out, sort through them, and I'll show you any good ones that I find. Alright, first 10 rows are spilled out. I'm also going to look for any W quarters, the West Point. Hopefully I can find something good. Alright, I'm done sorting through that box, and it was a total bust. All I managed to find were some low mints and 2 coins that were in pretty nice shape. These 2 coins. See if I get a shot. New Mexico 2008 and Arizona 2008. Both. One is Denver, one is Philly. This one has some toning. The Arizona on the right, but they're both in really nice shape. So I'm going to keep those. I have 3 of them from 2009. All of them are Philadelphia. I have Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, Northern Mariana Islands, and 2 from Guam. All of those are low mints. I also have 2010. 4 of them here are Philadelphia mints, and this one on the bottom is a Denver mint. Hot Springs is Denver, and the Phillies, Yellowstone, 2 of those. Grand Canyon and Grand Canyon. And the 2011s from Denver, Chickasaw, and the 6 on top. 2011s are Philly, Chickasaw, Vicksburg, 2 of those, 3 of them, 4 Vicksburgs, and Glacier. For the 2012s, this bottom one is a Denver, Chaco Culture, the 4 Phillies on top, Hawaii Volcano, 2 of those for 2012, Acadia, 2 of those. And for the newer ones, this one I might just put back. This one is the Athena Gibson 2025, and the lower, not super low mint, but it's about 100, I believe 125 plus million minted, of the Zitka La Sa from 2024. This is the Denver. You want to keep on this one. This one's somewhat low mint. Alright, so that about wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, smash that like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons. Leave a comment down below if you like. I'll see you all next time on Bird Brain Gaming. Later, everyone.